Hey, Paul.
Hey, Petra.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Good. I thought today we'd talk a little bit about
Ooh,
websites.
that's a biggie.
Yeah. Um,
Well, before you start on a website, because people always want to dig right into that, make sure that you've done your branding roadmap first, because you want to be very clear on who you are, how you're different. Your branding roadmap should be in place before you start your website, which is just an extension, another way to communicate that brand.
yeah, absolutely. I mean, you need to, your website should be an extension of your brand and it should be consistent with all the other customer touch points that your audience is experiencing. And the other thing that we want to talk about is content. So, a lot of people skimp out on content on their either brand page, on their website pages, or on their blog. And content is king. Content is how you get found by Google or any other search engine.
Right.
So, you really want to be generous with your content. You want to answer questions, right? That your audience is asking,
Yeah.
and be there when they are searching for a particular question around your business.
Yeah, it's a way to help Google help people find you because people are looking for answers that you are uniquely qualified to help them with, and you want to make sure you're being found. So, like Peter said, don't skimp out on the content.
Yeah, share your expertise.
Also, this may sound basic, but it is a rookie mistake. Make sure your navigation is really clear. You want it to be very obvious for people to know how to reach you. You don't want people to get confused or overwhelmed when they visit your site. So make sure that it's clear, understandable, and easy to navigate.
Yep, there's a little 101 tutorial on building a website.
Okay, hope that helps.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.